Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, of course. The new ColourPop. These are the cute little 5-pan palettes. I don't think these are a specific collection per se, but I do have the Rumor Has It palette, Statement Piece, and I have the High Societies. I believe there's 5, so 2 other ones I don't have, but I did grab all 3 of them, luckily. And I can't wait to get all the way into them, but of course, like before, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get on into these cuties. All right, so I wanted to talk about the packaging just a little bit because I think it is actually quite royal and pretty and looking. I got these all, of course, on ColourPop's website. I believe these retail for, I want to say they're that $10 mark again. These palettes right here. So the High Society one, I actually really love this packaging in this one. They're all pretty much the same, but they do have the High Society right there in the front, big old lettering. And they have these really pretty green gold situation. It's a pretty pattern on these palettes. It's just so pretty. And then on the back, of course, it does have the 5 shades and the names. It's just really pretty. I love this packaging. And Rumor Has It, of course, has the same kind of thing, but it's blue. I love it. It's so pretty. Last but not least, Statement Piece. This is very pretty. This is just like orangey, warm, kind of pinky color. I love it. I like the just outward packaging. I think it's very pretty. The inward packaging, I'm going to just show you guys one. This is Rumor Has It. So it is just more of a simple, again, blue colored palette. It does have all the shades of blue, just like the High Society and also the Statement Piece. They all follow the color scheme of what the colors are. So I just want to talk a little bit about the packaging, but we are going to move on to the looks and tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed the looks and the tutorials, because I know I did. I have fun putting on these different colors. And also, guys, if you don't know, I do use every single color in each one of these palettes on my eyeballs. So we're getting the full experience with each and every one of these little 5-pan palettes, you know. I'm going to jump right back into Rumor Has It. It does have 3 mattes and 2 shimmers in it. Also too, inside of this and printed in a lot of the mattes in there, they have this kind of like it's like one of those certain kind of prints. Rumor has it, my favorite color out of this palette, actually I have two, because this whole look, that whole blue look was fun to make. On paper and Got a Text. Those last two right here, beautiful. That blue was that nice deep blue that was just very matte and just, it blended out very, very pretty. The Got a Text one was really pretty because it gave me that darker pop of color in my inner corner eye with the blue look. It literally was just interesting. I was like, I never did a darker inside like that, like a shimmer with all those blues. Page 6. Now this one was my least favorite out of the palette, the middle one. I use it as like my background transitional color. It looked okay, but it was just kind of like, you know, nothing too wild. I think everything else in this palette was gorgeous. And speaking of the one that has the print in it, it's called Do Tell right there. It is a matte with shimmer, so that pinpoint glitter or shimmer inside of it. I do love when they do that. And that's a really pretty matte, it's kind of like that sea foam. Yeah, like a sea foam blue. It's very, very pretty. And then with the statement piece, my favorite color, chainmail, that nice orange. That is a very pretty orange. The other two mattes, Hoops and Blair, those two, they kind of just start looking like each other when you put them on. Hoops, that one right there looks really, really like the chainmail one. It's very like, it's not too much of a different orange or reddish kind of color. So I was kind of like, it's whatever. The Shimmer Diamond Cut, gorgeous, gorgeous color. And then the Love Loco, that color, she was just okay. She didn't stand out way too much. Blair was very pigmented, very pigmented. I loved it. So I think, yeah, chainmail is going to be my favorite. And then let's see, they have 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. So I think 3 mattes, 2 shimmers is the theme of all these palettes out of this collection. And again, in one of the mattes, it has that print in there again. And I don't think this one has matte with pinpoints of shimmer. Nope, they're just straight up mattes. I think this palette was a little prettier than I thought it would be. Orange or reddish palettes, I'm usually like, okay, you know, kind of have them all. This one right here, that orange is popping. And then that light orangey Blair is really, really good. So I did like that about this palette. It was nice. It was a little more pigmentation than I thought with some of these shades. So that was always a plus. Guys, last but not least, is one of my favorite ones I got on my eyes right now is High Society. I love this palette. Am I getting it? I love the blue one. I do like Rumor Has It, but this is a very close second. I love this one a lot. I already had an idea of this look in my head. I was like, I want this kind of look. So my favorite shade in this whole palette is Don't Care. This one right here. Don't Care. Oh, it's fantastic. That one is matte with pinpoints of shimmer again, but it looks like it's blue shimmers inside of it, but it's like a matte lime bright neon green. It's so good. And then it has a print inside this one right here. That one is called Fan Fave. And then the darkest one at the end, I believe it's called Promise. This one, that dark green, fantastic. And then the other shimmers, my favorite shimmer is going to be Seen. I think this one right here, Seen, that one's prettier than this one right here. It's really pretty at the bottom of my eye. I just think it's cool, greeny kind of color. I like that. I think it was very, very pretty. The mattes are very pigmented in these palettes, but they do have powder, little powdery fallout. These shimmers are very pretty. They're nice and smooth. I don't have too much fallout, but the mattes with pinpoints of glitter, they do have a lot of fallout. So just to let you guys know that. So with all of these palettes, guys, I think these, again, are a very, very great collection to all of the ColourPop's things. I do love these little 5-pan palettes. I love when they put that matte with pinpoints of shimmer in them. That's always great. My favorite is going to have to be these two. I can't choose between them. I feel like they both hit just the way I need them to. They hit really good because literally this one I was like, well, let's just try it because I haven't had an orange and red palette in a while because I feel like once you got one or two, you got them all, you know. But with this green and blue one, it's so pretty. I just feel like you can get looks, and just by looking at it, it's like, yeah, I can get looks with these. These are really, really good looking. And the blue one has still got me kind of messed up because I was like, I like blue, but I was like, I don't like it like that, but I do like it in this palette. It's very, very pretty. And this green was so unique because of that pinpoint shimmer one. It's very, very a unique green palette. I like it. I like these a lot. So, but yeah, guys, I think overall these palettes are quite affordable. I say try them all. I'm very curious to try the other two now because I'm like, sounds kind of fun because those colors, it was a lot of colors in each and every palette that I was like, ooh, that's really nice, you know? So these palettes are very, very affordable. I feel like why not get those cute little pocket-sized palettes of all color schemes? It's really cute. It's very, very cute. Yeah, some of the mattes can be a little more pigmented. And then some of the shimmers too. It was like one shimmer was better than the other. Like really better. So I don't know what that's about. But that's what, I guess, how they pressed it or whatever. If you guys want these little palettes, I would say go ahead and get it because they are affordable. And if you like a certain color, get your favorite color because you'll love it. Because yeah, I didn't get my purple this time, but I did get a blue or green, and I'm glad I did because those are unique, especially that green one is a very unique palette. So guys, I thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know out of this collection, do you like their mini size palettes and which color scheme is more of your vibe? Let me know in the comments below, guys. And also, don't forget to hit the notification button before you leave. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.